Good morning, this is Noel with my Andalucia life, and this is actually the first night that I've spent over in my renovated farmhouse. It was a very good sleep, and the kitchen is ready and stocked, so I should be making my first meal, which is a very easy omelet that I'm going to do in the kitchen. The stove just got connected, so I'm very happy that I'll be able to. And it's a really cute little stove. I learned how to use the gas, decided to do a gas stove at this point, and we'll get started. So breakfast today is going to be relatively easy. It's going to be an omelet with some mushrooms and some local cheese and even some of this sprinkled cheese, and I'm going to do some kiwi that I bought in the market, and wanted to just pan here and show you the ceramic pieces that I got from Pulurena, which is in Beach area, and this type of ceramic ware is more famous in Granada, with the Granada pomegranate that you see here in the salt maker, and prices are quite reasonable. Like this piece here, I don't have any salt on it yet, but I think I got it for less than €5. And this platter that I'm going to be using for a serving dish or appetizers, I think I got that for around €8, so really good price. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on breakfast and eat it right away because I'm hungry. So I have this mushrooms that I bought in this packet. I think it's portobello mushrooms mini, and this whole container, I got this from my local grocery store called Mercadona, was about I think €2, and that would be equivalent to maybe $2.25. This local cheese that I got, there's so many amazing cheeses here in Spain, but you buy them in wedges for like around €5, and oh my gosh, just so flavorful, semi-hard, and I'm not sure what kind of cheese it is. I think it's more of a cow cheese, but it's semi-hard and potent, lots of flavor. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start making my dish. And of course, everything starts with a really nice olive oil. Olive oil is so plentiful here, so very inexpensive to buy something like this in this container, less than €5, which is about $6, and I'm sure I could even get them for a cheaper price if I wanted something more basic, but I'll get started with this omelet because I'm starving. So here we have my first cooked meal here using my stove. It's a very simple mushroom omelet and yogurt on the side and some tea. So bon appetit from my kitchen, and I'll be sharing some more, more delicious recipes down the road. Again, thank you for viewing, and I'm glad that you're enjoying this morning with me at the same time.